Hello to all. I am Dr.A.K Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss firecrackers and its chemical composition. What is actually firecrackers? A firecracker is a small explosive device primarily designed to produce a large amount of noise, especially in the form of loud bang, usually for celebration or entertainment. What are its chemical composition? Then it has various chemicals. This firecrackers composition I am talking. It has many chemicals. It consists of many chemicals. First, that is the potassium perchlorate. In firecrackers, first important chemicals, that is the potassium perchlorate. It is used 10 to 20%. Second is barium nitrate, 35 to 50%. And third, that is a perlite powder. And fourth one is that is a magnesium aluminum alloy, 5 to 20%. And aluminum powder, 3 to 5%. Titanium powder, 10 to 25%. And brimstone, 3 to 10%. Again, I am repeating. This firecrackers contain 10 to 20% potassium perchlorate, 35 to 50% barium nitrate, 1 to 8% perlite powder, 5 to 20% magnesium aluminum alloy, 3 to 5% aluminum powder, 10 to 25% titanium powder, 10 to 25% titanium powder, and 3 to 10% brimstone. These are the main chemical composition of firecrackers. It also uses non-metals, that is gunpowder, also called black powder, 75% of the potassium nitrate, 15% charcoal, 10% sulfur. Sulfur is a spine of crackers, you can tell. 10% sulfur is also used. Sulfur, which is a spine of crackers. How actually it is made, now I am briefing you. The mixture is prepared by mixing barium nitrate, aluminum and dextrin in a slurry manner with water. In the manufacturing process, 40% water weight by weight is added to the mixture. Sparklers crackers. What is that? Sparklers crackers is common in Deepavali. Children will use. Even the adult also use sparklers crackers. It is made from a metal wire coated with mixture of potassium perchlorate, titanium, aluminum, and dextrin. Aluminum or magnesium helps create that familiar white glow. In sparklers, white glow is due to aluminum or magnesium. In crackers, red phosphorus is also used. Here, harmful gases, harmful chemicals, such as particularly in most traditional firecrackers, arsenic, lithium, barium are used. These are harmful chemicals. And what are the reaction? Oh, inside the crackers, what type of reaction takes place? Now I am giving you idea. Aluminum, lead, carbon, which help reduce emission while bursting. When the cracker is ignited, the gunpowder inside the cracker reacts with oxygen to form heat and light, which result in increasing the pressure inside it. The reaction involved the explosion of the crackers is a combustion reaction. Which reaction is involved here in crackers? Then combustion reaction. The reaction involved in the explosion of cracker is combustion reaction. Crackers, what gas it will produce? Then crackers, it produces or it releases many toxic gases such as carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. Now I am stopping only here. Thank you.